Hi, I'm Dee Morgan, and I'm here to show you a fun way to teach your kids multiplication using arrays. So I'm going to take my bingo marker and I'm going to make an array. An array is rows and columns, and it's usually in a pattern. All right, so here I have 12 dots, and I'm going to use my spaghetti and make my first multiplication problem. So I would say to my child, hey, can you put these in equal groups for me? Sure. Now I've got two groups of 6. This is a great way to show multiplication without just memorizing the facts. A concrete, kinesthetic way to show exactly what the multiplication problem represents. This is really an important part. You need to have them write it down. This means 2 groups of 6, which is 12 dots total. And now I call this the flip-flop. 6 groups of 2 is also 12, and now I need to model that here. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I've got 6 groups of 2.